Have you ever wished your tomatoes would bloom longer and produce more fruit than ever before? Today, we reveal a simple, but extremely powerful secret that almost all of us have at home. Before we go, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let them find out this little gardening secret too. Also, write to me in the comments. Do you grow tomatoes, and what do you add to them for better growth and yield? Tomatoes are the king of the vegetable garden. Without them, there is no real salad, no sauce, no winter vegetables. But to give an abundance of flowers and fruits, they need something more than just water and sun. There is an ingredient that nourishes the plant, keeps it healthy, and helps it bloom longer. And the fruits are full of flavor and juiciness. This ingredient gives the soil what it often lacks, maintains the microflora around the roots, and naturally protects the plant from disease. And what is best, you probably already have it in your kitchen. And now it's time to reveal the secret. Do you know what it is? What is this ingredient that is so powerful? Now we will reveal it to you. Just add 1 glass of yogurt next to the tomatoes. It will provide the soil with beneficial bacteria, nutrients, and support flowering and fruiting throughout the season. Try it and see for yourself. The result will amaze you. And you, dear fans of growing organic vegetables, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you for that.